we'll have a small interaction as we all are celebrating the Independence Day. So it is
Tomorrow is our Independence Day.
So it is an apt, we can say that, occasion to discuss about what is independence.
But we are here today in 2026. So those impressions, those imprints sort of gets lost on us. That is exactly why it is very, very important to remember those days, those atrocities done by the invaders in India on Indians. And we need to take pride in the fact that we actually won our independence.
Our forefathers have shed their blood. There was sacrifice, and they won the hard-fought independence for us. Don't you think so? And then thereafter, they framed the Constitution of India, which embodies the principles of liberty, yes, equality, fraternity, justice, right? And all these principles.
Now, at that time, to become a civil servant, of course, it was a huge task to become a civil servant.
Basically, they have given us the responsibility that we will ensure all these rights to all the citizens of India. Now, it is the responsibility of civil servants. Basically, you all are aspiring to become the member of that fraternity.
First of all, we were not allowed to become civil servant. Then we were allowed merely because they have to showcase that they are doing something good for us.
Most of the time, I tell that civil servants are basically the second line of defense for our country after armed forces. Don't you think so?
Now, in front of us, we have all other facilities to do it, right? So the thing is very easy in front of us to become civil servants, right?
Basically, they are responsible to ensure whatever the rights given in our constitution, at the same time ensure social justice to the weaker sections of our society. And it is the responsibility of all of you when you become a civil servant to ensure this to each and every person in the country.
Another important thing is, no matter what words I say, I can motivate you for an hour, for a day, or for a week. But the real motivation should come from within. If that is not there, the speech and everything is useless. Then why do we still give the speech? Because this can facilitate some fire in someone which can then ignite and last forever.
You are youth of the country. You are going to be the future of the nation. And it is your responsibility, I would say that, to become, we can say, when you become a part of civil services, to ensure all these rights and all these ideals that are mentioned in our preamble to all citizens of India.
At the end of the day, people need to stay back in this country, improve it, and ensure that we become at least one of the superpowers, if not the superpower of the world.
So today we are going to take a pledge, and I want all of you to follow that and take that pledge.
And apart from becoming civil servants, what is more important is to become a good civil servant. That is what I would want.
When you are aspiring to become a civil servant, I want all of you to take this pledge. Are you ready, everyone?
So if you can be serious for the rest of your time of UPSC, I am definitely sure you will stand a very good chance of clearing UPSC.
We the Legacyans, everyone, take a solemn pledge to dedicate our preparation and future careers to the national development and upholding the Constitution and serving the most vulnerable citizens with absolute integrity and empathy.
So let's go here. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Jai Hind!
Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Jai Hind!
Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai! Vande Mataram! Vande